In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore the sample company with full features on QuickBooks' test drive. First, let's begin by visiting the QuickBooks test drive page. This is a fantastic way to familiarize yourself with QuickBooks, offering a hands-on experience without the pressure of using your real data. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar, type QuickBooks, intuit.com/test drive, then hit enter. You'll be directed to the QuickBooks test drive page. Here, you're introduced to the sample company feature. This is a great tool because it lets you explore QuickBooks as if you're using it for a real business, without having to worry about making mistakes. It's like a playground for learning all the ins and outs, ideal for those just starting out or even for seasoned users who want to test new features. Once you're on the test drive page, you'll see an invitation to explore the sample company. Click on that, and you might be asked to confirm that you are not a robot by completing a quick CAPTCHA. This is standard security to ensure that real users and not bots are accessing the system. Now, you're inside the sample company with full features at your fingertips. Here, you can dive deep into the many offerings of QuickBooks. The sample company is already populated with data, giving you an excellent way to see how transactions work within a business context. You can check out invoices, expenses, payroll, banking, and much more. This pre-populated data means you don't have to create a company from scratch to get started. While exploring, take notice of the dashboard. This is your command center showing you key financial information at a glance. You'll find charts and graphs that display spending, sales performance, and profit and loss summaries. This visual overview is incredibly helpful for understanding the health of a business in just a few seconds. Delve into the invoicing section where you can see how to create and manage invoices. Use this feature to learn how to customize invoices, send them to clients, and track what has been paid versus what is outstanding. It's all about organizing finances efficiently and staying on top of your cash flow management. Next, explore the expenses section. This area allows you to track the money going out of the business. Experiment with entering expenses to see how it affects your books. You'll gain insight into how QuickBooks automates a lot of the heavy lifting when it comes to calculations and report generation. Don't forget to check out the banking section where you can connect bank accounts and manage transactions. The sample company gives you an excellent opportunity to understand how bank feeds work, making reconciliation smoother and less time-consuming. As we wrap up this hands-on exploration, remember that spending time with these features now will dramatically ease your day-to-day tasks using QuickBooks in a real-world setting. Whether you're using it for the first time or brushing up on advanced functions, this test drive is an invaluable resource. Happy exploring, and don't hesitate to revisit the test drive whenever you need a quick refresher or want to try out a new feature.